What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video where we talk about using the pocket option broker to do binary option trading. If you have not had the chance to look at the previous videos and you are new to the channel, take the time to do so you know exactly what we've been talking about up until now. Keep in mind too that I have extended the coaching all the way into the 17th and it is still 50% off. So great to see that you're excited to try to get some coaching to find out where exactly that you're going wrong. Also too, love seeing these comments. I appreciate you as well. I do hope you're getting some value out of the videos that I continue to post and are learning from the strategies and they're making your trading sessions successful. And if you're considering signing up for the broker, the link is in the description. Consider doing so you can start making money like the rest of us. Also too, I've heard from many people, yes, it is a bit of a challenge to find that money to trade. Use the ebook. It gives you 50 ways to find money to trade where you can do online work at home. Either way, you can get that extra money so you can start off on the broker and begin trading and making that extra money that you're looking for. Okay, so today I'm going to introduce a new 1-minute strategy. And let me also add too, there's nothing wrong with working that demo account. So it's always great to see a comment like this. Good. Don't be afraid to get in that demo account and try all of these different strategies to see how they work with you. It's not about bragging. I've shown my live trades before. I have no problems trading in that demo account. So you get the strategy, whether I'm live or demo. To me, it's about learning and making sure that you understand how to use the strategy so you can use it to your advantage. Now, let's get into it. We are going to be using the 20 and the 50 EMA and also the RSI. As you can see, I have made the 20 EMA white. And then I have also made the 50 EMA pink. So the goal of this strategy is when you see the white EMA, the 20 EMA heading upwards and it has crossed the 50 EMA, you're looking to go for a buy. When you see it going down, the 20 EMA, going down, crossing down through the 50 EMA, you're looking to take a sell. And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.